That's right. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, we really don't want to go above 42 on this. Keep your stop down there at 91.31. Up here to 40. I don't know. Maybe we're going to go and get the 42 area. This is the largest decline we've had thus far off this last high, and consequently, it's out of character for the rise that we just saw. So that makes me think that we may see a drop off here. You know, it's a very gentle retracement upside, and we stopped right there, and we stayed below the 42, and now we're starting to drift off here. Maybe we'll get filled here. We have quite a good bit we can come back from here, so if we can come down and get filled, I want you to get a stop right away up at 43. If we do, we're close. Let's see what we got, and we are filled. That's very good. Get a stop up above at the 43 level. And let's see if we're coming back up to test where we broke out of the 31.32. This is already this is a very small drop thus far. We should get a lot more. We should, you know, be the same size as the first drop at least. If it's going to go more, obviously, we'd expect it to go a lot more than that. Oh, there we go. There we have a little push. A little push below 26. Oh, good. Even more. Even more. And we're getting close to the level where we'd... okay, yeah, that's a lot better. That's a lot better. Tell you what, sell another unit just below the current low. Sell another unit at 16. Down at 16, sell a second unit. And I expect if we have the... bring your stop, bring the first unit stop down to 33. Bring it down to 33, so that way we've only got a little bit in here. It could move that far, but you know, just if you're going to draw a little channel line, I could see it, you know, getting up a bit above that line to fake people out. Okay, we're filled on the second unit. Great. Bump your stop up to the full 2 units, and we drop some more. That's very good. We like this. We like it when it moves like this. Okay, made it only to 15 though. It's about the same size as the first move this leg down. It's when we add this way, we add within 10 ticks or so. It brings the average really very close. So what would otherwise be pretty much of a break-even trade is probably too close a stop. We're risking 8 ticks right now on 2 units. We really want to see it roll over. We just don't want to see it give too far above oh. Yeah, I thought we were about to go, but apparently not. Apparently not. More work to do sideways. But again, notice this is sideways movement. It's not a deep retracement. It's sideways. Much like on the way up. There were very narrow ranges before we would boost the next stop up. This is the same, oddly enough, same sort of thing going down here. Okay, slightly new low down at 14. Maybe that's all she wrote. No, okay, 11. Good. That's helpful. Give us a bit more profit on this. And we really shouldn't get back up there to the low 20s. Bring your stop down to break even now. Bring the stop on the 2 units down to break even. And we're starting to get a little break. Okay, good. Good. Oh, wow. Yeah, all the way down. Here we are. Good. 06. Yeah, but place a stop below the current low at 05 for the 3rd unit. Let's put a 3rd unit on below the low at 91.05 and expect that this is going to take a look at the round number at the even. And what we've seen thus far, these little congestions that we've got, and so it might be, looks like it's a larger one than any that we've had just thus far in terms of depth. It is. They've been very small in character, so it leads me to believe that the entire break that we are in thus far is still developing and going to develop further unless we can get a sort of a longer sideways or deeper retracement upward on this. Okay, we are filled on our 3rd unit. Great, good job. Bump the stop up to 3 units in size, and bring it down for a few ticks in profit. Maybe I guess that's around 91.20. Oh, we break down to even, all the way down to even. So you got your stop down a few ticks in profit, and we're breaking more. Great. We're below the 91 area. Maybe this is all she wrote. Bring your stop down to 16 now. Few more ticks. I want to give this a lot of room because with the way this is going, it looks like it's trying to break wide open here. This is a very, very long leg, much longer than the first leg down, and that being the case, as it extends lower, we can be like a heat-seeking missile coming down to the earlier low today, which is, I don't know where that is. That's I think it's in the 70s, mid-70s, and we are almost there. Check this out. Down into the 80s, high 80s, 90, 87. We have got a good winner here. We have a very good winner. Let's bring your stop on down to another 5, 6, 7 ticks. Now bring it on down to 03. 03. And maybe we will get a bounce from this point coming into this 84 low. We saw a bit of a spike of volume here on that, and sideways on this now, so maybe a little bit of a larger correction here. Got a few lows here at 84. As long as we stay below that 96 area, I think we'll be okay. And again, this is flat. It's sideways. It's hardly any bounce at all. It's like all the steam that was pushed into this on the rally is now just coming out. There is going to be, if we go through this low, there will be a lot of stops. At this juncture, I think we ought to have some significant stops down here. Like I said earlier, from here all the way on down to the low is critical. And probably, 5, 10 ticks below the low where we will start to see, okay, here we go, where we should start to see some real action here. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, and well, that's a surprise to me. We have absolutely sliced through, and we're, we have sliced through the low, not by much, but that was down, tick, down, almost nothing. Met some more support down here. At this juncture, bring your stop on down to, I bring it down to 96, I think. 96 is probably a good spot. And still making slightly lower highs and slightly lower lows on this infinitesimal scale, but nevertheless we like it. It's giving us more money. We like getting more money out of this, but we're not that far beneath the earlier low, so it doesn't seem it needs to pick up steams and really ramp. At least I hope. We'll start to pick up some volume. Bring a stop on down to bring it on down to 85 now. I think that's just above where the last spot we broke down from, and then we'll hope to get it down again to the mid 70s when we break through this low, this 64 low. But we're now going sideways a lot longer than any other time in this entire move, and we're also rising some. Big. This could be it. This is out of a little bit larger out of sample from what we've seen. So I don't know if we're going to get all the way back up there to the 85 area though. But the 70s was where I thought we'd be moving our stop down to, but guess not. I guess we're going to come up and get it. Huh. Well, wow. This really has come up a great deal more than I'd expected initially, but hey, it can do anything it wants. It can do anything it wants, whenever it wants, however it wants. And we're not quite fished, so maybe there we are. We just got our stop lifted, and we are above that 84, 85 area. Well, good job, great profit on 3 units, and gosh, did we just get smoked for the drop to begin again? Well, we got to remain focused and see if we can maybe find another spot, or maybe we're going to even have to get long here. We'll have to